Hello guys, I am back with another concept in Python called dictionaries. We have already seen list right in before. So list is a collection of different data items that has been stored in a single variable. But dictionary is somewhat similar to that, where dictionary also store some data but in the form of key value pairs, and the data will be donated within a curly braces. Let's see an example of dictionary. So a is a variable that I have. So curly braces, I have taken college is kite and roll number is 27 and 1 is to 3. You can observe in this example I have taken three key value pairs where college, kite, roll 27, 1, 3. So in this, college is key, kite is its value, roll is key, 27 its value, 1 is key, 3 is its value. So dictionary is ordered, changeable, but it will not allow duplicates. And we cannot change. Another point to be noted is in dictionary you cannot access keys, you can only access values. So let's see some methods in dictionary. So at starting, let's see the basics method. For example, if you take b equal to a dot type, print b. So this type method will give us the to which method this a belongs to. So a is nothing but dictionary. So how the output will be? So the output will be type dict, which means this belongs to dictionary. So in the same manner, another simple example is length. You can take length. So b equal to len of a, print b. What was the required output is 1, 2, 3. The required output is 3. So let's see how we can access elements in a dictionary. For example, you want to print a of 1. Remember, a of 1, it will not take the index value, it will take a of 1 means a of key. We have given key number here, so that it will give the value of this required key. So what was the value of this required key is 3. So the output will be 3. For a more clarification, now print a of roll. I want to print a of roll. So what was the roll is the key. So what was the value for roll? 27. So the output will be 27. So this is the accessing elements in dictionary. So let's see. There are some more methods to access elements. Those methods are key, values, and items. By using these three methods, we can access keys, values, and items in a dictionary. So let's see how it works. So I have already taken dictionary above, so I am accessing with that. b equal to a dot keys. Print b. So what was the answer? So this will return all the keys in a given example. So what are all the keys? College, roll, and 1. This is the required output. So if you take values in the place of keys, so what was the required output? What are the values in the given condition is kite, 27 and 3. This is how you can access values from the given dictionary. So what do items do? If you give a dot items, it will return whole values and keys too. Let's see how. The output will be college kite, roll 27, 1 3. This is the required output if you give items, which means it access all the keys and all the values in the output. So you observed how can you access the values, the keys, the items from the dictionary. So let's see how we delete the dictionary. How you delete an elements in a dictionary. So deleting an element from the dictionary. To delete an element from the dictionary, we have 3 ways. One is pop, item, and delete. So let's see how it works. If you use a dot pop, you need to delete the key, which means a dot pop roll see, if you have given a dot pop roll, then you have given a key so that it will automatically delete whole value of key and value. So what was the required output is college kite 1:3. So this was done. So what was the other method of deleting an elements in a dictionary? The another method is pop items. If you give like a dot pop items print a, it will automatically delete the last key and the value of a dictionary. So what was the required output? College kite roll 27. So this is a required output. So next we can see how we can use del delete option in dictionaries. So remember one point, you cannot directly delete the whole dictionary. For example, del of a, it is completely false. You cannot delete a dictionary directly. So how you can delete? If you delete del of a of 1, which means 1 is key value, so it will delete the 1 is key, so it will delete the value of 1. So what was the required output? College kite roll 27. So this is the required output. These are the deleting options in the dictionaries. So you have seen what is dictionary, how we can access elements in a dictionary, how we can access keys, values, items in a dictionary, how you can change, and other point is that you can change the values too. So the last one is that changing the values in a dictionary, how it works. So it works like print a of college equals to kite plus. See, initially a of college value is kite, but now I am changing the value and I am printing it like a of college equal to kite plus. So what was the required output? So it will give output like college is, we have changed the value kite plus. Next one is same, roll is to 27, 1:3. So this is the required output. So guys, we have seen how we can access elements in a list, how we can delete elements in a list, how we can change elements in a list. So this is all about dictionaries. Furthermore, you can search on Google else if you need anything more. Thank you.